How to install and activate the Black Ice TIFF Viewer. To start the installation, click on the installer that you downloaded from our website. If you don't have the latest TIFF Viewer installer, you can download it from the Downloads menu of www.blackice.com. On the Install Shield Wizard welcome screen, you can select the preferred language from the Language Selection drop-down menu. If the language is set, click Next to continue. Accept the terms of the license agreement, then click on Next. You can choose to install the TIFF Viewer for the current user only, or for every user on the computer. Choose the destination location of the TIFF Viewer. Click on the Browse button to change the location, or click on the Next button to start installing files to the default destination folder. On the next window, you can select a program folder where the program icons will be added. You can enter a new folder name, or select from the existing folders list. Click Next to continue. If you plan to use any of the TIFF Viewer extensions, select the appropriate checkbox to install. By selecting further options, you can also create a desktop shortcut for the TIFF Viewer and open up our documentation. Click Next to continue. The installation is now complete. Click on the Finish button to close the installation and start the TIFF Viewer. Click on the Continue button to use the fully functional evaluation version for 15 days. If you would like to purchase a TIFF Viewer license, click on the Purchase button, or if you already have a serial number, click on the Register button. Enter the serial number, and click on the OK button to activate the full version of the TIFF Viewer. Now that the TIFF Viewer is installed and activated, let's open a document and annotate it. When first starting the TIFF Viewer, you can associate the supported file formats with the TIFF Viewer. Any file format selected on this window will be opened with the TIFF Viewer by default. On the next dialog, you can see a list of helpful links to learn more about the product. Click Close to continue. Open a TIFF document with the Open button and navigate to the Annotation ribbon. Select an annotation type, place it on the document. Once the annotation is placed on the document, you can easily customize it. That's how you install, activate, and use the Black Ice TIFF Viewer for the first time. Thank you for watching the video. You can also find more useful videos on www.blackice.com.